Welcome, brave explorers, to the Realm of Curiosities, where the mysteries of the universe unfold before your very eyes. Our journey begins in the vast expanse of the cosmos, a glorious tapestry woven with galaxies, nebulae, and the twinkling jewels of distant stars. We'll traverse the endless void, exploring the celestial wonders that have fascinated scholars and dreamers since time immemorial. We'll delve into the enigmatic heart of darkness itself. Black holes, those cosmic titans that swallow light and defy understanding. We'll venture into the realm of the unseen, the mysterious dark matter that binds the universe together in its cosmic dance. These celestial enigmas and more await us as we embark on our cosmic voyage. From distant galaxies to the enigmatic corners of our own Milky Way, we will unravel the secrets that the universe holds close to its starry bosom. So, buckle up for a cosmic adventure that has captivated humanity for centuries and continues to do so. But our journey doesn't stop at the edge of the universe. Our blue planet holds its own share of marvels waiting to be discovered. From the silent, shadowy depths of our vast oceans to the awe-inspiring heights of mountain peaks, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey across the Earth's most captivating landscapes. We'll uncover the fascinating flora and fauna that call these places home, revealing the intricate web of life that connects us all. Join us as we dive deep into the beauty of our world, uncovering the secrets it holds. Time is no barrier in the realm of curiosities. We venture into the past, unearthing tales that have shaped humanity. Our journey traverses the timeline, exploring the rise and fall of ancient civilizations, the iconic events that have transformed the world, and the remarkable stories etched into the artifacts that connect us to our rich heritage. We delve into the chapters of history, revealing the interwoven tapestry of human endeavor. Step with us into the annals of time where history comes to life. In the realm of curiosities, we don't shy away from the enigmatic and the unexplained. We dare to tread where others hesitate, unraveling the threads of conspiracy theories and diving deep into the realm of the paranormal. From the whispers of ghostly apparitions to the sightings of unidentified flying objects, we venture into the unknown, challenging the conventional wisdom that binds us. We also delve into the world of unsolved mysteries, unearthing the tales that have baffled even the wisest of minds, enigmas that have stood the test of time, waiting for the curious to decipher their cryptic messages. But our explorations aren't limited to the mysterious alone. We also uncover the intricate processes behind our favorite products. From the birth of a smartphone to the creation of a classic automobile, we demystify the craftsmanship and technology that shape our modern world. Join us as we connect the dots, offering a comprehensive understanding of the intricate web that binds our universe. Subscribe to the Realm of Curiosities and let the exploration begin.